May airplane na.
Pasakayin mo na kami sa airplane.
Check
Yeah.
out.
Kaya yun yung pinunta namin dito. Tapos nagkataon din na
It's press. Say good morning.
Morning.
Morning. We're cooking fried rice. Yes, Alisa loves fried rice.
We can have that for dinner. I mean for lunch. I said the dinner. Oh,
Yeah, you keep saying dinner. I think it's ready na.
Not yet.
It's ready.
dali. Lipstick muna tayo. Mister, nandoon pa sa toilet. Kino? Pag ano na mo, put your belt na.
Does Auntie have a driving license?
Not yet.
And you don't have it. Can I use it? Daddy will teach you though. Daddy has a driving license. I thought the black car was supposed to be yours when you get your driving license. So that's good. You don't have to get a bus to or get a taxi.
Maybe one day I will learn to drive.
Yeah.
No?
You might fail. What's that taking so long?
Daddy went to the toilet.
So where you need to learn to have a drive
Yeah.
to go to, you don't have to walk like that.
Put your leg down there. Oh, stop messing around. Kahit di ka na si Yulo Butesa.
Ew!
Stop. Come.
Ah. Oh, what happened? What
There's
is
nothing
this?
happen.
Look.
From the
Car
car seat.
It's
put
fine.
it-
Just leave it.
Can you just please sit down?
It just. How can you do this? Oh, that's like. So you pop this in.
Open ko lang muna yung window o yung door kasi maano man mga kachika.
There we go.
Mainit ba sa loob ng car? Although mahangin-hangin naman sana.
This one. Fasten. Look at Babs and go. What?
Cute nito. Oh. Ang ganda ng ano nito. Ng ito ba?
Well, it's like a balance of two wheels.
From here? That's good.
Mm.
Lisa?
I have loads of stuff in mine.
Yeah.
Oh, my lip balm. I'm looking for this. I wish I have a mirror over here too. I need to use that mirror. It's free. But can you come up? Can you come up?
I told Daddy that we're gonna wait him there.
Where's Daddy?
It's
I don't think that's what. I think that is.
your face, your face, your face, your face.
Oh my god.
Hey, Daddy, I love this. Yeah, look at the prices. With like that bracelet. Big difference with stainless steel, no? Tag. This is a little house. This is my little house. This is like Highlands. Looks like honey.
Yeah, passion fruit. You like passion fruit?
Nice.
So, thank you,
Well, thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, my airplane na.
Pasakayin mo na kami sa aeroplane.
Take, drop daddy off. Our auntie. And
Maglakihin
uncle
na
off.
kayong dalawa. Bilisan yung lumaki at mag-akay sa amin. Siguro ano kaya
No, nandito na lang yun, te. Kami na lang yung mag-alaga sa inyo, te.
Akayin
No?
mo. Akay kapon ako ni Alisa.
Ne,
Sino itong bigat-bigat mo?
kami na lang mag-ano
Ay,
sa
sigurado.
inyo. Hindi nag-airplane. Uwi na sila ate. Akala ko,
It's your job.
last time. Last week dito din kami, di ba? Nagpunta kami ng Wagamanga. Ngayon naman nag-lunch na naman kami Wagamama.
What's that say?
Water buffalo?
No, no, no. What makes it hard? Let it
Oo.
Let it float. The wind is blowing a bit.
Yeah. I think you have to go that way instead. Close na din yung mga shops kasi 4 o'clock. Magpa 5 o'clock na yata mga kachika. Lisa, be careful. Lalakad na kami kung saan nakaparking yung sasakyan mga kachika. I think this is the one done. Ito yung building, solicitor. Yan yung office na yan, yung nagpa-process kami ng British passport ni Alina.
That's how that was before.
Mm.
And that's the top.
Mm.
That's right.
Yeah. Okay, tara. Let's go. Solicitor office.
Hey?
Solicitor office.
Where's the car?
Ang lakas ng hangin. Ay, nilalamig ako. You're not cold, Lina? So you're waiting
What?
for? No, I'm talking to him. Photo? Did you clean your hands?
Yes.
Okay. We got photo
Way around.
from auntie.
I want photo. Can I have photo, please? Thank you. Then Auntie made this.
Yeah, she made that one.
Yay. She likes to cook
She likes to cook to bake.
and taste it.
It doesn't go that way.
I love purple. Purple's my favorite.
No, that way.
Yeah, that way.
So good.
Can you send a video when and we are eating the
Is it good?
Huh?
Is it good, Lisa?
It tastes good.
Tastes good. Say thank you to auntie.
Thank you, Auntie.
So this is
Oh yeah.
£26.
Oh yeah. Big difference, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You can tell the difference.
Yeah.
It's good. Yan yung pinunta namin dito mga kachika. Kasi nag-order siya. Di ba may binili ako na watch sa kanya. Tapos hindi pa niya magamit-gamit kasi maliit yung. Where is the other stuff?
What?
For that?
The link.
Oh.
I got it in my wallet.
Where the there's no other comes with it?
That's what I said to you.
Oh.
I thought there was more links to come with it.
Oh no, not the links, like paper or box, no? Nothing?
No, you got the box.
No, for that this
Got a
one.
receipt.
You got this?
The bracelet. No, it's just a bracelet.
Ah. Kasi
Came
the,
in a plastic wrapping. That's all.
kasi may in-order ako, may binili ako na watch sa kanya mga kachika. So hindi niya pa talaga nagamit-gamit simula nung nabili ko pa nung December. So hindi ko pa talaga nabili kasi hindi pa niya nagamit kasi maliit yung dito. Kaya hindi niya maano talaga masuot. Kaya in-order namin, nag-order siya siguro mga 2 weeks ago. In-order na yan sa Goldsmith doon sa pinuntahan namin kanina. Yung nagtitinda ng mga mamahalin na mga watch. Ganun.
It's purple.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kaya yun yung pinunta namin dito. Tapos nagkataon din na sila ate. Pupunta din sana sila doon sa amin sa town namin. Kung saan kami nakatira. Sabi ko pupunta kami dito. Kaya dito na lang din sila nagpunta. And just leave it there. Kumakain sila ng puto na bigay ni ate. Marami yan. Yung nilagyan niya na glass container is yan yung nilagyan ko ng hindi ko alam kung anong nilagay ko dyan noong nagpunta siya sa amin ng birthday ni Alisa. Yun yung last na nagkita kami. Is it good? Can I try daw? Where's the gel? The hand gel.
Right, we go.
Kuya Archie.
Exactly what I'm gonna do.
Oh wow, it's nice. This is the real.
Don't give it yet, because I want to give it to. I want to.
So where's your house?
We're not going to the Philippines yet, right?
Oh, yeah, I thought you were going to send it.
No. There's a name on here, Daddy. No.
What?
This.
Where?
The name of the bracelet.
Well, of course, yeah. You mean that it's branded, yeah.
Branded?
Yeah, of course it is. Yeah, of course it is.
Kasi pag bibili ka lang sa mga ganito-ganito mga kachika, hindi sila nagkailangan mo talaga orderin
The other
sa
ones aren't. This is
orderin
the
sa online. Parang it came from Switzerland pa. In order to namin. Nagpunta kami doon sa kanila last year pa. This year nagpunta kami doon sa kanila. Tapos sabi nila na kailangan pang ordering kaya in-order mo mister. Bago lang din niya in-order kasi nag-decide na
Oh,
siya
who's
na.
that?
Nag-decide siya na doon na. So,
Who's it?
yun. Yun, you still got the blue here, kabag utot.
Who is it?
Tag. Ganda.
Oh,
No me.
yeah, okay.
Ganda mga kasi.
Yeah, that's
Parang ano na din namin.
Someone is guessing.
Yeah. It's like, parang ano na din ba? Alam mo yun, something na worth it in the future.
What?
You still got blue in there, Daddy?
Oh, I don't know.
So exactly how I'm gonna do. I'm gonna need
How you do it?
Yan yung pinick up namin doon. Kasi dapat last week pa yan, nag-message pala last week kay Mister, nung nagpunta din kami doon. Tapos hindi na
Wrong way
na-pick
around.
up. Ngayon na lang kasi day off ko.
now because when
Tabo mag-utot, oy. Let's go. Tara. Tabag utot, Marie Josep. Wow, going. Ito yung binigay ni ate. So yung tuto na pinagkakain ng mga Alina, parang nakatatlo daw siya. Ako nagkain ako ng isa, si Alisa yata dalawa. Ayan. Yung ano na to, ito yung nadala nga niya noong pag-birthday pa ni Alisa. So, yan. Ito yung mga bigay niya. Ang dami. iba yung tuto. Mahilig kasi yan. Binigyan niya pa ako ng danggit. Itong danggit na yun, bigay lang din daw ko sa kanya. Sabi niya kasi na hindi niya nakakain yun. Ang mahal ba naman nito, ang bentahan niya yun nito, yung iba, nasa 7 pounds na yata. Kung isang ganito lang. Tapos may pandesal. Sarap ko sa pandesal. Oh. Niluto nilang daw ito kaya na umaga. Ang saka yun. Ate. Kaya na ano na ko kay ate ba? Too much na yun. Ano niya sa amin? Nabigay.
That's cold.
May effort talaga yan. Palagi yan siya mahilig ate magluto-luto. May effort niyan palagi. Parang nakakaano na ba? Nakaka-guilty na. Laging ganyan. Pupunta ka sa kanila. Maraming luto. Sarap-sarap ang pandesal. Tanggalin ko ito muna kasi ilagay ko siya sa container. Fresh pa. Hindi ko ano pa talaga ate mo. Si ate at saka si Mr. ni ate, kuya ay yung mister niya yan from South Africa pero nandito na din sila sa UK. Pero si ate ano yan siya, Singapore citizen at saka British hindi pa kasi ano pa lang yan siya dito. Hindi pa siya British citizen din pero ano na yan siya, Australian citizen, Australian passport na yan kasi yung ex-husband niya ay Singapore, not Australian, Singapore, yung ex-husband ni ate, Singaporean. Tapos si kuya, yan yung second, yung asawa niya ngayon ay ano yan, South African. Ang sarap. Salamat sa ayuda, te. Marami pa lang yung ayuda.